This is a crypto emergency video as the biggest event for cryptocurrencies this has ever happened is going to be happening in just a couple of days. Stick around into the video to find out exactly what that is, and that's particularly the Ethereum merge. We have CPI coming out, guys. Incredible opportunities right now in the crypto market. Make sure if you are holding any cryptocurrency, you watch this video until the end. Now, before we get into the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribing with notifications on, where we are making money. I'm telling you how to make money for free in these videos. So go ahead and do that. So we are paying attention to Ethereum right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the two coins that we follow. Pay attention to, because if you understand where Ethereum is headed, if you understand where Bitcoin is headed, you will understand every other coin. So if you want to trade XRP, if you want to trade Ethereum Classic or Shiba Inu, pay attention to Ethereum and Bitcoin, mostly Ethereum right now, and you will understand where cryptos are headed to. So Ethereum is continuing to break out. And just remember the video that I made last week, we called out this bull flag, and guess what happened? Exactly a perfect breakout as we called out. And also our price target for this breakout was exactly hit right on the very head. So congratulations if you took this trade, if you took the trade in the Patreon where I put a buy alert out at this specific price of the breakout. We are making money hand over fist in the Patreon. Join tier 3. The link is in my video description. If you want to make money trading cryptocurrency, I do all the work for you, all the research, so you don't have to figure out when to buy and sell. So you can get access to that with the Patreon. So Ethereum right now is consolidating. Bitcoin is consolidating. And what a consolidation means is we are trading sideways. And this is very bullish. Bullish consolidations happen, and consolidations are bullish when there is bullish momentum. So we see here, bullish momentum pushes up the price. We consolidate, which means we trade sideways, and then boom, same thing happens, a bull flag. We trade sideways, and then boom, another move up, trading sideways. What is going to be this next move? Well, I think as it is Sunday, we've been pumping day over day over day, that we're probably going to see maybe some type of pullback, but it's going to be very confusing to predict that because we have the Ethereum merge taking place and the CPI coming out in just 2 days. These two catalysts are especially the Ethereum merge is going to be one of the biggest events for cryptocurrencies in history, as it's going to forever change Ethereum, and it's just going to make the crypto market so much better in so many ways that I cannot explain, that I'm not going to talk about in this video. But usually after there's been much green, there always is a pullback. There's going to be a crash and pullbacks. Those are guaranteed, right? They always will come, but when do they come? We don't know yet. So what we can expect here, ladies and gentlemen, is Sunday. It's going to be opening up the futures market, which might open up red. When there's been a lot of green, like we saw last week, the end of last week, for the NASDAQ, for the S&P 500, people are going to be taking profits. It's quite possible that we could see some type of pullback and maybe a red Monday and some bullish Tuesdays, Wednesdays for the rest of this week. I don't know. So just understand that we could be in for a pullback here very soon, as we've seen a lot of green here lately. We need to continue to watch and monitor the DXY, which is and has started a downtrend. And this is very, very good for us in cryptocurrencies. And the reason why this is happening is because of some news over in Europe and China and Japan. And that's pushing up the yen, which is the Japanese dollar, and also the euro. So these are very important catalysts, which if they continue to bounce up, if the euro continues to strengthen, and we also have the Japanese yen, if that continues to strengthen, that's going to continue to push up the crypto market. Let's go ahead and look over at Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. This thing is setting up, in my opinion, to make a massive move. Whether this massive bullish move is going to take place, we don't know yet, but we're going to be monitoring this in the Patreon, in our trading group, and on this channel. I do believe that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, we are getting a lot of bullish momentum, and we're seeing a lot of whales jumping into Ethereum and Bitcoin as well before the Ethereum merge. The question is are cryptos going to crash on the merge, after the merge, during? I don't know. It's quite possible. So just understand that as well. But there is a lot of strong bullish momentum that's been keeping and suppressing cryptos down for a very long time with interest rates and the Fed monetary policy. So cryptos are just getting ready to bounce up and go crazy again, because we've been suppressed by market manipulation, and it is coming to a head. The market manipulation is coming to a head, and cryptos have no choice but to go up, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. I think we're going to be seeing some insane rallies here very soon, but also, we could be seeing some insane crashes just on the other side. But there's more data to support some type of strong bounce here very soon. And that's what we are looking for on this channel to take advantage of trading these opportunities. So as of right now, Ethereum is trading sideways, has really not moved much today. We've seen some bullishness. We did come up and test almost $1,800, which is very likely to be broken. So when you see these multiple attempts over and over again in the higher ranges, you are going to see, or the higher levels, there's an opportunity and the likeliness of a pump going up. So whenever a level is tested many times, where we have a resistance level here multiple times, eventually that level will break. Just like when we keep crashing down and you keep seeing these multiple attempts, eventually that level will break and fall through. So that's the same thing in a bullish scenario. We're having this resistance level tested over and over again, as we saw in the previous bull flag here. Look, we had a bull flag here. Ethereum pumped up, consolidated, traded sideways, and we're just testing over and over again until we broke it, and we did. And the same thing happened right here as well. And the same thing will continue to happen over again. It's a very predictable pattern, but we'll have to see if it is bullish and what plays out, because we have the futures markets opening, which brings in a lot of volume, a lot of volatility. And let's see if the DXY continues to go down. If we see the DXY open red, and continue to go down red, that's going to be a very good sign. If the DXY opens up green and then comes back down into red, that's going to be good as well. So the opening move generally doesn't necessarily mean anything. Give it a few hours and see where the direction of the futures markets are heading. Headlines from the previous Friday before the market close will generally depict and move the futures markets. News that happens over the weekend will move the futures markets, and that will be the magnet or the direction or flow of the current market for cryptos as well. So we're going to have to see what happens. So until then, we're just trading sideways. We're waiting for the Ethereum merge. We're waiting for the CPI, which is most likely going to be bullish and most likely going to be anticipated as such, pushing up the prices of cryptocurrencies. So we're going to see. We have a lot of videos, a lot of data to report this week. I'm super excited. Let me know if you think cryptos are going to go up this week a lot, or are they going to crash? What are your thoughts on the current crypto market? And guys, make sure you join the Patreon. The link is in my video description. I have a new course and mentoring program to teach you how to become a successful day trader. Apply with the link in my video description as well. And make sure if you are trading cryptocurrencies, you use Bybit. You can claim up to $5,000 in free deposit bonuses by using my link. If you are in the US, use a VPN. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and share this video with at least one, a friend or family member, and I will see you later.